Hello guys, today we are going for one place of waterfalls. So you'll enjoy this video. Keep watching till end. Hello, good morning everyone. So today we planned for to visit one place of waterfalls, but you can see here there are this sends us back because of the COVID situation. So today's plan cancelled. We are going home now. Very disappointing things. I can see that waterfall from here, but this is very bad thing that we are not able to see that.
Then we decided to visit Pawana Dam and go back to home. I was looking for a waterfall on hills, but there were no waterfalls till yet. Suddenly climate changed and it started raining. Till we reached to Pawana Dam, heavy rain was there, and then finally we found this waterfall behind Pawana Dam. So we decided to explore this and enjoy. This water is coming from Lohagad. It was very relaxing experience after watching this waterfall.
Here you can see Pawana Dam, and behind this we got waterfall. You can see Tikona Fort, and here you can see Tone Fort, and here is the waterfall which we are looking for from long time. Finally we got this. So today we are going to explore this one. Finally we got this waterfall. You can see now. Yay!
Here's the Jayant Patil.
How you are feeling, Achu?
This waterfall flow in force when there is a heavy rainfall happen on hillside. You can see how this water is making the way from these rocks and making relaxing noise. This is natural meditation you will found in every waterfall.
You can see crowd is coming here to visit this waterfall. This is the awesome location I have seen ever. Finally we got the waterfall here nearby Pawana Dam and we enjoyed a lot. Hope you enjoyed this video. So please comment what you like and what you don't like. Till the time, take care. Bye.
Subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe button.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Please share, subscribe, like, comment on this video. I will appreciate it.